Let's take a look at managing career challenges. Employees' careers involve four stages: exploration, establishment, maintenance, and decline. In the exploration stage, employees attempt to identify the type of work that interests them. They consider their interests, values, and work preferences and begin pursuing the type of education and training they need. Establishment involves finding employment, making an independent contribution, achieving more responsibility and financial success, and establishing a suitable lifestyle. In the maintenance stage, individuals are concerned with keeping their skills up to date and being perceived as someone who is still contributing to the organization. The last stage, disengagement, involves individuals preparing to phase out of work and retire. Also, at different times in their lives, individuals reconsider their interests, values, and how to best use their skills, resulting in one or more career changes. It's important to recognize that there are likely generational differences in what employees want in their career. Millennials and Gen Xers are more used to change and job insecurity than baby boomers, and as a result, they're more likely to leave jobs and develop their skills. Although there are generational differences, similarities often exist. All generations share similar values related to family, respect, and trust. The career challenges and issues include balancing work life, providing career ladders, career recycling, understanding job hopping, and meeting the needs of older employees.